The finalized list of colors for the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced, including standard and online exclusive options ranked by production volume. Standard colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra: titanium black, titanium silver blue, titanium gray, titanium white silver. Online exclusive colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra: titanium jet black, titanium jade green, titanium pink gold. According to DSCC Ross, production volumes follow this order, with titanium black being the most produced and titanium pink gold having the lowest availability. Samsung's Galaxy S flagships are known for setting high standards each year. However, recent details from Finland suggest the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to launch in early 2025, may fall short in one particular aspect. The information comes from Finnish mobile carrier Suomi Mobili, which revealed the memory and storage configurations for the Galaxy S25 lineup. The Galaxy S25 will offer 128 GB or 256 GB storage options. The S25 Plus will include 256 GB or 512 GB, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB options. Samsung's next-level flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is just around the corner. With the Unpacked announcement event looming, leaks and details about the 2025 powerhouse are flooding in, and trust us, this one's set to blow minds. Let's talk specs. The S25 Ultra is armed with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 4 processor, which promises to deliver insane performance. Add to that, but wait, it's not just about power. Samsung is upping its style game too. Among the 4 conventional colors, one stands out: titanium white silver, a stunner with a white back and sleek silver frame. Samsung gears up for the Galaxy S25 Ultra launch with 200 megapixel sensor, details revealed. The listing showcased key details of the 200 megapixel sensor, specifically for the US carrier variant. It highlighted specifications such as focal length, aperture, resolution, and more. Lens specifications: 23.2mm, 35mm equivalent, provides a balanced perspective with standard focal length. 6.3mm actual indicates the lens's physical focal length. So 1.7 aperture ensures superior low-light performance and depth of field control. EIS, electronic image stabilization, delivers stable video recording and minimizes photo blur. Field of view, 75.7 degrees horizontal effectively captures wide scenes. 60.5 degrees vertical complements horizontal FOV for balanced framing. Sensor capabilities. Sensor area, 71.9mm, optimizing light capture for enhanced image quality. Pixel pitch size, 2.4mm, enabling better detail and noise reduction. Image output features: maximum resolution, 480x1360px, outputting 12.5 megapixel images through 16:1 pixel binning. Picture format supports both JPEG and DNG, RAW for versatility. Focusing options: auto manual focus, offers precision and flexibility. Infinity focus, ideal for distant landscape photography. Minimum focusing distance, 0.10 meters, suitable for close-up shots. Hyperfocal distance, 4.86 meters, providing sharp focus across various depths. Exposure and ISO range. Manual exposure spans from 1/11/977 to 1/6 seconds, covering ultra-fast, moderately slow shutter speeds. ISO range, 12 to 3200, catering to diverse lighting conditions. Maximum analog ISO, 1500, balancing high sensitivity with detail retention. The primary camera of the Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 23.2mm equivalent focal length and NSAF 1.7 aperture. By default, the sensor captures 12.5 megapixel images with a resolution of 4080x3060px. The sensor's area, listed at 71.9mm squares, promises excellent light gathering capacity. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has been revealed in new dummy images, showcasing its design as a true masterpiece. These dummy units, originating from China, are already on sale, with striking images shared by Roland Quant. The Galaxy S25 Ultra appears in silver and black, with additional standard and exclusive colors expected at launch. Titanium blue is rumored to be the flagship's signature color. Staying true to Samsung's signature design, the biggest change in the S25 Ultra is its frame, with slightly rounded corners replacing the sharp edges, giving it a more boxy appearance. The device is slightly taller and narrower than its predecessor, with the display expected to measure 6.86 inches. This small increase in size brings significant improvements in handling and usability. The right side of the frame will feature 3 buttons, 2 for volume control and 1 multifunctional key. These buttons will match the color of the S25 Ultra's titanium frame, which offers a lightweight yet durable construction. On the rear, the camera setup includes 3 large rings and 2 smaller ones, housing 4 image sensors and a TOF lens. The rings adopt a circular texture design similar to the Galaxy Fold 6, with the outer ring likely maintaining its attractive look. An LED flash sits between the 2 smaller sensors, enhancing low-light photography. All camera rings are arranged vertically in the top left corner of the rear panel. The Galaxy S25 series, including the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, is expected to be launched in the first quarter of next year, with a possible Unpacked event scheduled for January 22nd in San Francisco, USA. Samsung might not increase the price of the Galaxy S25 series, contrary to earlier speculation. A recent report has disclosed the potential pricing for the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to WinFuture and journalist Roland Quandt, the Galaxy S25 is expected to start at €899 in Germany and select European countries, mirroring the Galaxy S24's launch price. This pricing information was reportedly derived from retailer data. The Galaxy S25 will likely be available in 128GB and 256GB storage options. The Galaxy S25 Plus is expected to feature 256GB and 512GB variants, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain its predecessor's options of 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Samsung's Galaxy S series is known for offering a range of standard and online exclusive color options, with one color typically chosen each year to represent each model. According to a new report via @UniverseIce, Samsung has selected blue as the signature color for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, set to debut next month. Earlier this year, the Galaxy S24 Ultra was showcased in promotional materials in a titanium gray color. With the switch to blue, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to add a vibrant touch to the stage at the upcoming Unpacked event. Additionally, reliable tipster Ice Universe, via @JukanLawsReeve, has revealed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature Qi 2 wireless charging support. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to launch early next year, will reportedly come in 3 storage and RAM variants. Leaks suggest that Samsung is boosting the RAM capacity compared to the S24 Ultra, likely to support on-device AI features. According to JukanLawsReeve, the 3 configurations are to 12GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, 16GB of RAM with 512GB of storage, 16GB of RAM with 1TB of storage. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5 major upgrades over the S24 Ultra. 1. Overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite. In October, Qualcomm introduced the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which Samsung will use in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, set for a January 2025 release. This latest chipset features the Qualcomm Oryon CPU, along with improved GPU and NPU performance. Additionally, the fabrication process has seen enhancements compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Early benchmark tests show impressive performance, even rivaling the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Revamped design philosophy. Starting with the S22 Ultra, Samsung adopted a boxy, note-like design, moving away from the rounded corners of previous S Ultra models. With the S25 Ultra, Samsung is shifting once again, but this time to slightly rounded corners for better handling. While the design will retain the elegance of the S24 Ultra, the frame will smoothly connect to the back panel, offering a more comfortable feel without sharp edges. 3. Improved OLED with M13 Plus material set. The Galaxy S24 Ultra faced issues with grainy display textures on its OLED screen, which affected visibility. While it used an M13 material set, the S25 Ultra is expected to feature an upgraded M13 Plus OLED. This change should resolve the grainy display issues, offering a clearer and more vibrant viewing experience on the flagship. Number 4. 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. While many were hoping for an upgrade to the zoom camera, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera using the Samsung ISOCELL JN3 sensor with a 0.7 pixel size. Number 5. Increased RAM options. The Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a maximum of 12GB of RAM, but the S25 Ultra will come with both 12GB and 16GB options. While the exact configurations are still unclear, the 1TB storage model might be paired with the 16GB RAM option. This upgrade will allow for faster processing, improved gaming experiences, and seamless multitasking.